Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy vehicle, and what we will show you guys how to remove, how to replace, and where the Immobilizer reader for your key is located. When you put your key in, okay, it reads the chip from the key and it tells the car, okay, if this is the correct key so it can start. So that device guys, okay, detects the key, and if it's malfunctioning, if it's broken, if it doesn't work, your car will not start because it will not know if you have the correct key or not. So stay with us and we'll explain now. We're working on a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it may work the same way for a Chevy Cruze, Chevy Sonic, Trax, Equinox, and even Malibu guys. So for any of you having that, it should be about the same because most of them even use the same part number. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please don't forget to guys subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do at the shop. If you need to purchase any parts or tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get everything for a super good price. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let me show you guys what we need to do next. Why we had to remove the steering wheel, because right here now underneath there is two bolts guys, and we're going to explain about that in a second. I'm going to get a plastic panel removal tool guys, and we're going to pry that thing out, like that. Just get underneath, pry. Then on this side too there is a few clips here that will come up, like that. Now what else we need to do guys? You can see we have two hidden bolts. That's why we had to remove our steering wheel. So we're going to go ahead now and remove the two bolts. I'm trying to figure out if you have if the light is good on the camera. Okay, perfect. So I'll go ahead and remove this quick. Okay, one is out. Now we have one more on this side. Okay, almost out. Now we have one more that is hidden guys, and it's hidden on the bottom side of the steering column. So let me explain to you where it is. You can see now, well, it is supposed to be right here, but this one is broken. Right here guys you have one more bolt, this bolt right here, you can see, and our holder is broken there. So definitely guys, you have to be careful. You can see this is where it's broken, but otherwise you have to remove that bolt, right here, and that bolt is with the same 7mm socket guys, as you can see, but ours is cracked. So I guess it was too tight, and as a result it cracked guys. So that piece out of the way now, we can continue with the next step and show you what we need to do. That's what it looks like with those trim pieces removed. With all that guys being out of the way, now we can get to the Immobilizer reader, and you have two parts now. One is guys the device right here, this chip. Let me just flip the screen so I can show you a little bit better. This is the device I'm talking about. In order to remove it now, all we have to do, remove that screw. There is one more here, disconnect the wire, and disconnect the wire from the key reader, right here. So once you do that, that device will come out. The second part is guys actually the ring around the key, and this one has three clips here that hold it in place. Let me get a screwdriver to show you. One here, let me focus quick. One right there, you just lift them up gently. One here and one right there, kind of like the Mercedes emblem. They go in three different positions, 1, 2, 3. So once you guys pull those clips, you pull it out and you replace it. So you can see, not very complicated procedure guys, but it takes a while to get to here because we actually have to go ahead, as you can see, and remove. We have to remove right here that cover, in order to get to it, and that cover, right here, it attaches with the screw towards the steering column. So otherwise you won't be able to pull it down. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to locate your Immobilizer reader. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.